remedies for throat pain and cough. I will tell you simple home remedies in this video. There is one quick home remedy for initial stage of throat pain. If you ignore throat pain, it may lead to cough. First one is age-old remedy. Lukewarm water and pink salt. Take 1 glass of lukewarm water and add 1 teaspoon of pink salt. Mix it well and do gargle without taking water into your stomach. This will give you full relaxation and immediate relief. Next is our Ayurvedic Bharat Ki Chai. For this, take half teaspoon of dry ginger. Dry ginger, we call it as Sonti in Telugu. It is easily available in stores. And take small piece of cinnamon and 8 to 10 black peppercorns. Crush all these 3 items and then take 3 to 4 cups of water. Start boiling. And then add these mixture. And then add mint leaves, 3 to 4 mint leaves and ginger. Mint leaves and ginger both relieves your indigestion and good for throat inflammation. You can adjust spices quantity to keep it mild for children. Once water boiled down to half, strain it and enjoy each sip. And if you wish, you can add honey or lemon. Repeat these remedies 3 to 4 times till you get relief. No side effects. Avoid pricey cough syrups from market. Thank you friends for watching my video. Part 2 continues with effective remedy for dry cough.